we are aiming for bronze in the coming SEA Games, right? But there are still a lot of records and history to be written for the Philippines, like the scores, the our output in the international tournaments. But come Asian Games and maybe LA 2028, what is your personal aim or what is your target for we Filipinos in those tournaments?
Gold.
What's the
in
goal of
Olympics, Asian
what's the
Games.
goal of coach for Philippines in Asian Games and LA Olympics?
나고야 아시안 게임과 LA 올림픽 목표는 내년 나고야 아시안 게임은 단체전에서 토너먼트 경기이기 때문에 변수가 너무 크다고 생각해서 단체전 3위가 목표입니다. 그 이유는 양궁은 날씨에 영향이 크기 때문에 변수가 크기 때문에 언제 어떤 날씨로 인해서 누가 어떻게 될지 모르니까 단체 3등이 목표이고 LA 올림픽은 쿼터를 따는 게 무엇보다 중요하다고 생각합니다. 그래서 일단 쿼터를 따서 준비해 보려고 합니다. 쿼터를 따고 나서 LA 올림픽 메달에 한번 도전해 보고자 합니다.
In the case of Nagoya Asian Games, the goal is teams the bronze medal. In the case of archery, the weather we don't know about the weather, so we don't know how can it going. So at least gold medal we can do. But in the case of LA Olympic, the goal is get quarter ticket. After get the quarter ticket, we try to get the medals.
So to qualify at
Yes,
least.
qualify at least. Because the last time that we qualified for Olympics archery was 2012.
Yeah, London.
London Olympics.
Yes.
So we missed a lot na in terms of Olympics. So hopefully this will pave way for us to get back into Olympics.
Okay, so thank you so much for gracing our BSA Forum. CBS for being